Take your night rides to the next level with our purpose-built 12-inch LED light bar kit for the Can-Am Canyon. This powerful light bar mounts to the front end using the included custom bracket. It integrates with the factory wiring harness through a switch with amber illumination. It features a spot and flood combo beam pattern, giving you the best of both worlds. Just look at how much additional light it adds. This kit offers true plug-and-play convenience and includes everything necessary for a straightforward installation. Now follow our team as we walk you through the installation on our Can-Am Canyon Red Rock.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground, your ignition is off, and your parking brake is engaged. The manufacturer recommends adding a dab of dielectric grease to the end of the wiring included in the kit. This protects the electrical connection points from moisture and corrosion. Push your key in and turn it clockwise to unlock the driver's seat, and then remove it from the bike. Remove the key from the ignition, then turn the ignition switch cover counterclockwise and remove it from the bike. Next, pull back and up to remove this panel. Then remove the 2 push pins underneath. Remove the screw located here with an 8mm socket with ratchet. Lift up on the switch panel and remove the upper right plastic dummy switch by disconnecting the harness and sliding it out. Grab your new switch from the kit and slide it down through the switch panel. Take the 4 wires from the switch and plug them into the OEM harness. The black ground wire goes in the upper left socket. The red positive wire in the upper right socket, the second black ground wire in the middle socket, and the yellow wire in the lower right socket. Slide the black wire cover down and snap it into place. Once you've made the connections, insert your key and turn it clockwise. Your new switch should light up amber, confirming a successful installation. If everything looks good, turn off the ignition and remove your key. Next, remove the plastic cover on the stock grille located here with a small flathead screwdriver. Using a T30 Torx wrench, remove the 2 bolts located here. Then loosen the lower bolt on each side like so. Remove the OEM bumper caps and replace them with the new ones from the kit on each side of the bike. Make sure the alignment ridges are facing down towards the ground and sit flush when you insert them into the alloy bumper. Plug the light bar connector into the OEM accessory wire plug, and then install the light bar between the 2 bumpers, positioning it between the spacers and the Canyon's frame. Tighten all 4 mounting bolts to secure the light bar in place. Finally, test the light bar by turning on your ignition and flipping the switch. If everything is working properly, reinstall your panels in reverse order. And reinstall the driver's seat.
If lighting up the road ahead is on your mod list, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab an LED light bar kit for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay plugged in with everything on 3 wheels. Thanks for watching.